So guys, I am starting off this video obviously in my kitchen, but I'm currently using the GoPro Hero 10. If you guys saw the other day, I did pick it up, and today I'm going to be using it for thrifting. I'm going to kind of wear it as like a body cam and just show you guys my point of view when I go to the thrift store and see the stuff I find. So hopefully we do find good things. Hopefully the video is good. Hopefully this audio is good. Let me know in the comments down below how you guys like this GoPro footage, if you guys think I should continue using the GoPro or if I should go back to my old camera. Hope you guys enjoy. Let's get it, guys.
Victoria Beckham. Another Victoria Beckham. Gucci shirt. All the clothes up top. Yeah. Playboy. Let's see if we can entice 300 people to pull the raffler in. Banty Fest 1999. New Age Kiss. Doctors. Look at that embroidery. Jordan. Kind of plain though. Uniqlo, Nike tee. Widowmakers. See if these shirts are authentic.
I didn't feel it was stuck or not.
Yo,
What up, bro? I got these shirts the other day. I want to see if they're authentic.
I got you.
And if they are, maybe you might be interested. The Chanel's a woman, but the other two are,
It's hard to tell. With the Chanel might be the difficult one. The Gucci one.
I know you see this shit every day, so you
It's tough
should
because
know.
this thing is popped out. Like usually you can tell by the thread
Oh, okay.
here. Like I'll show you another shirt.
Can you tell by the inside tags or no?
Dude, honestly, it looks good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The Moschino or I don't know. Is Moschino, Chino, whatever.
It doesn't
I think
move
this
from
one's
the-
no. I know it doesn't move, but I think this one's authentic. So I figured they probably dropped because I found them together.
Yeah.
So they probably, you know,
That one's kind of hard.
the Playboy has the
With
back
Playboy.
too.
Yeah. It's kind of hard.
But I figured I got them literally. They were side by side, so I figured the same person must have dropped them off. So if one's legit, then maybe it's the other. But
Nah, the Gucci's legit.
yeah,
The Gucci's legit. It has some like loose threads, but it shouldn't be an issue. 'Cause it's not whole yet.
damn, these are hard. This fear of God.
Yeah, samples. Those only have like a size tag. No other tag. They're huge though.
Yeah, they look like it. They look like a 38,
Yeah,
40. Yeah.
I'm selling for the low.
The colors, the wash on it's so nice. I'm a sucker for all camo. I hunt and shit, so yeah.
That's dope. Yeah, Gucci's straight. I mean, there's cracking on the paint. That's about it.
Yeah.
Like-
Would you be interested, you think?
How much is the question?
I don't know. Let me look around. Let me see if maybe I find something. Maybe we can,
I definitely gotta get this
Swap
phone
it.
back in. 'Cause,
yeah, I know
you
people are sticklers to that, right?
People like the red thing. Those are mad rare, so people charge a lot for those. Those are 370.
Yeah. They look too small. They look like a 30.
There's
But
more
it's like
stuff
that,
in here.
it's like that Stone Island material. That's what I like about it.
It's dope. So that's at least. I got a bunch of like rig,
Yeah.
like geo baskets, and like 4 pairs, and then I have a pair of OG dunks. Right there, check those out. There's more hair dunks.
Oh, damn. I've never even seen them.
Yeah, it's a like original pair.
Yeah, that's crazy.
I'm gonna talk to the guy. Hopefully, get him down to like sell them for like 3,500.
Yeah.
Because right now he wants 4,500. I don't know, but I don't want to post them yet. Because once people ask, you have to get them with the right prices, and I don't want more.
Yeah.
Because rarely does something move like second time around. I only post it once, right? But if the price is too high at the beginning, it won't move. Even after you lower it, because that's everybody's already asked. They think it's expensive. That creates a problem, honestly. So I'm waiting for him to kind of give me a better price, hopefully.
Yeah, the shits are hard. I just hate how fucking small they put their pockets.
Yeah.
You know, like it's
Well,
like
that's like an OG release. I'm sure the pockets have gotten bigger.
yeah,
But
they
that's like
probably
the
as
first
they go.
release, so yeah, like they probably didn't know
What's the ticket on this?
too much. 500. But
It's
that's
hard.
like the first pair that released.
Yeah, so that's the reason.
I could get you like a newer pair, like newer release for like 3.
Yeah,
That's usually what they go for.
it's hard.
That's a good wrap.
What did those gallery chrome hearts?
I sold them for $5,000,
Jeez.
and then the guy who bought them off me sold them for $9,000.
Oh my gosh.
And then hopefully the guy who bought them for $9,000
But-
is gonna sell for like 12.
I was about to say the guy that bought it for 9 is like. You think that's just a normal reseller? Or you think that's
It's a
someone
steal.
that's
It's a steal, bro.
yeah?
It's a steal, bro. Like regular chrome.
So let me ask,
piece-
why'd you give it away at 5? Just to move it?
I don't know, dog. Just like, bro,
You
I was
didn't-
happy.
you-
I bought them for 3,200.
Okay, so you saw the profit and you're like,
I'm that type of guy, bro.
Yeah.
I'd rather make 18.
you have so much stuff you have to. You know, you
Dude.
can't be sitting on stuff like that.
Bro,
you
it's
know?
worth the peace of mind, bro. Just knowing that they moved.
Yeah. It's
Could I
not in
have
your
waited till
hand.
somebody came around and paid $10,000? Yeah.
Probably.
but-
But you can reinvest that, you know, 5 stacks into other stuff and make
by the
way
time
more.
Somebody dropped the $10,000, I would have already made $10,000 off like
All their
turn the
shit.
5 to 7 and the
Yeah.
7 to 9. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah, no, I'm like that all
This
day.
was hardest. This is my favorite hoodie right in here right now.
I saw that, but you said it fits like a medium, right?
The Pirate Bay, yeah.
Yeah.
The Pirate Bay Vitamins, and then I forgot to post the back. The back is ridiculous.
Yeah, that is
It
hard.
has like every country on it.
Damn.
It says the Pirate Bay.
I got old
This
school.
is one of my favorites too.
Yeah.
PS5 Balenciaga. What were you saying, old school?
I got an old school Jesus Christ one. It's like the Tour of Christ, and it literally has every like that all the countries on it. It's like so sick, like just like the Tour of Christ, how
That's
he went
fire.
around to all the different countries.
I remember there's a Pope one too. I don't know if you ever
I
seen
got
that. It's like a 92.
a smoke Pope one, single
Fire.
stitch, everything.
Fire, bro.
Yeah. But I almost feel like disrespectful to wear it in public, you know?
Yeah, I mean, it's fun. Bro, honestly, before I had the store, dude, I used to wear the wildest vintage tees. Like, my shit was just like wild vintage tees, bro. Like,
There's one that says it's a rock band, and on the back it's Jesus is a cunt.
bro, that's hard, bro.
You know?
Like, all that stuff is crazy fire to me.
I love it, but just the
I
amount
have
of
a
like,
Givenchy one. I have a Givenchy one with Jesus, like, on an electric chair.
damn,
Like one of the OG T-shirt ones.
damn,
Kind of OD. But that one's gonna move for sure.
yeah. No, I personally like it just because you know, at the end of the day, it's fashion. You know, it doesn't mean that you fucking
Anti-whatever.
yeah anti-Christ or anything like that. And if you are, you know, it is what it is. You know, at the end of the day.
I think, dude, honestly, it's all art.
Yeah.
Like, there's definitely some teas that, like, I haven't posted because they're just too crazy that I've come through here.
Yeah.
That I'm like, yo, like, I might get my IG banned.
But then they sell without you even having to post it. You know.
Yeah. And yeah, like, that's what there was a recently, like, a Vivian Westwood tee that I didn't post. It was like one of the out of pocket ones, bro.
Yeah.
It was like the two cops having sex or whatever. I was like, yo, this shit's like, and it's like my graphic. I was just like, bro, like, this might be a little too much, bro.
Yeah.
So I was just like, let me just drop it in store and let's see what's good. What was like another one that I didn't post? Bro, like sometimes the fonts, like the one with like the heroin needle and stuff, that it's not even cartoons.
Yeah.
It just has like a heroin bag with like the needle and like
Yeah.
the tape and the belt. I'm just like, yo, like I'm pushing it.
Yeah, and you definitely don't want to get
Dude, I really don't care at the end of the day because, like, obviously, like, dude, I even have, like, some of my fucking parents following me or whatever on IG, but they know fashion is art. Like,
Yeah.
they never trip out about it.
yeah, nah.
You know, like, they'll be like, damn, like, what's this shit you're posting? They understand at this point, right?
Yeah, exactly.
But IG itself, the algorithm, could ban me, and I would lose more money than I would have made off that sale.
Yeah. You get a lot of business through your Instagram?
Yeah, but also, I like, dude, I've tried to build a reputation with every customer that walks in where they know that I'm not posting, that I'm just posting previews.
Yeah.
Maybe 50 pieces came in that day, but I only posted 5.
Yeah. And half the time you post something that's already sold too.
Nah, dude, I never post something that's sold already.
No?
No, dude,
Well,
the craziest.
well, what I mean is like you'll post it and it'll sell.
Oh, yeah,
you know?
If I post it, that's the
Yeah, in like an hour someone will be like, yo, how much? And you're like, yo, sorry, it's gone, you know?
Right. Usually, there'll be a lot of people that won't even DM anymore. They'll just drive straight here and buy it just to, like, not create hype around the item. I've noticed that, too.
What'd you have to... Well, guys, you just saw we thrifted that Gucci shirt for $1. It was 1,000% authentic. He paid $120 for it. Now, yes, I could have kept it and maybe listed it on myself for $150 to $180, but hey, I paid $1 for it a few minutes ago, and I just made $119 profit without doing anything, literally driving there from here. So that's awesome. Let's get some food. Let's check on Captain and continue this day, guys. When I was selling at the sneaker store, I tried to sell this off-white hoodie that I've been sitting on for a while. I think I got it for maybe like $100 value-wise. I think I did a trade years ago and it's just been sitting. Can't sell it for whatever it is. And my boy told me of a shop that's not too far from me, and they said they only deal with designer and they could buy it. So I went there earlier off camera and he said he'll give me $180 for it, which I don't mind. But he said, you know, if you have any other designer stuff like that. So basically what I did was I filled up an entire bag. I have Prada denim, I have vintage Dolce & Gabbana denim, I have some Burberry pieces, and stuff like that. So I'm pretty much gonna vlog like a selling sessions, designer only. I'll vlog the store when I get there and show you guys what they sell, what they have, and see what he buys, see how much he cashes me out. So hope you guys enjoyed this little designer shopping selling sessions, whatever it is, and let's get it, guys. So this place is like a little hidden gem. I don't really know how to pronounce it, so I'm just gonna show you guys what it's called. And you go upstairs and it's literally all men's designer clothes. Got a big bag of stuff.
All the denim. If you give me good prices, I'll buy it all.
Yeah, but I don't know, like I brought some stuff that you might not want, so you could just put to the side what you don't want. And
I'm gonna do a little stack here of the denim.
yeah, of course.
Pass on the Robins. What size are these?
Double R.
One second. Damn, I had a pair.
Y3, denim, Prada, Dolce & Gabbana. So it was extremely hard to film in there, but I talked to the guy and he's gonna let us come back and do a full video showing everything they got inside there. He was playing music, he had 2 other customers waiting, and he was the only person working, so he kind of had to, like, you know, knock everything out real quick, and I couldn't really film. But I ended up getting $700 cash out. I sold him the off-white hoodie for $180. I sold him Prada denim, Dolce & Gabbana denim, Burberry denim for about $50, $60 a pair. I sold him 2 Burberry polos for $30 each. What else did I sold him? I sold him a Y3 jacket for $70. It was just a really good deal. I mean, $700 cash out, and literally I didn't even know about this store this morning. So let's head home,